Valerie Chambers with Holton Wise. There's two things I'm going to touch on. First, a lot of you want to know how many evictions does Holton Wise handle? And secondly, how does the eviction process work? Holton Wise evicts approximately 1% of our portfolio every month. It is important to know, though, that our portfolio ranges all the way from A-class neighborhoods to F-class neighborhoods. And one of the biggest determining factors in the likelihood of you experiencing an eviction in your property is what neighborhood your property is located in. Check out the link below where I've linked in James Wise's Ultimate Guide to Grading Cleveland Neighborhoods. This tool will help you determine higher class neighborhoods, which will then lower the probability of an eviction in your property. Another factor which affects our eviction rate is the fact that Holton Wise is often called in by distressed landlords to help take over and revive distressed properties. Tenants are mismanaged, and Holton Wise is called in by landlords who are at their wits' ends to help solve their problems. The majority of the tenants that we evict are either inherited tenants or are in lower class neighborhoods. The amount of tenants that Holton Wise places in B class or above neighborhoods account for less than 10% of the evictions that we handle annually. So how does the eviction process work? Rent is due to Holton Wise on the 1st of every month. Our collection efforts begin on the 2nd of every month. We call your tenants daily. On the 10th of the month, they will be served with a 3-day notice stating that they need to either pay rent or vacate the premises. Prior to filing for eviction, we exhaust all collection efforts, including twice daily phone calls, serving 3-day notices, and checking the property for vacancy. Once we have exhausted all collection efforts, we hand the eviction over to our legal team. Holton Wise is black and white when it comes to evictions. We do not accept any excuses for any reason for non-payment of rent. If rent is not paid for the month, Holton Wise evicts. It doesn't matter who died, who got laid off, or whatever the reason may be, we are black and white, pay or get out. Once your eviction has been forwarded to our legal team, your fee has been paid, there is no canceling the eviction. At this point, we are granted a court date, typically within 4 weeks after Holton Wise files for eviction on your tenant. Then, a Holton Wise representative, along with a representative of our legal team, appear in court. We typically win all simple non-payment of rent cases and are issued a writ with a move-out date stating that your tenant needs to vacate the property or they will be removed from the property within about 14 days, but that can vary from jurisdiction to jurisdiction. On move-out day, we regain possession of the property and we start the process all over again. Please check out my renovation and unit turnover video for more information. Be sure to follow the Holton Wise Instagram page to see our tenant-focused advertising. Also, subscribe to the Holton Wise YouTube channel to be sure to catch all of our real estate-related content, education, and hot properties for sale. As always, Valerie Chambers with Holton Wise, real estate investing made easy. Grammar police. Okay. Oh, right? Yeah, I'm on maternity leave. Do I still have to pay rent? Okay.